Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government as well as the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification in one of the university. And this admission is happening based upon the entrance test, guys. And whoever the candidates qualified the UGC or the CSI or NET or GATE examinations, those candidates are exempted from the written test and they can directly go for the interview. So total 147 vacant seats are there from the 18 subjects. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them who belongs to those subjects. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification in the university. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Manipal University from Jaipur. So in this university here we got the PhD admission notification, guys. So you may check down. Okay, so here the admission is happening based upon the entrance test which is going to conducted by that university. And here the PhD full-time and the part-time research, okay, in the subjects of engineering, sciences, management, commerce, humanities and social sciences are there. And coming to the selection procedure is based upon the both written test and the interview to be conducted by the university twice a year in July as well as December. And coming to the applications are invited by for the eligible candidates. And coming to the important dates, online application started from November 25th onwards, and the last day to apply online is December 15th, and the date of PhD entrance examination is on December 20th. Okay, and if you want to get the final result, then you need to wait for the few more days after completion of the entrance test. Got it? And coming to the subjects. Okay, so first we will see the subjects and the number of vacant seats. So arts, philosophy and psychology, automobile engineering and CCE, chemical engineering, civil and computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, IT, mechanical, mechatronics engineering, management, biosciences, chemistry, computer applications, mathematics and statistics and physics. So total 147 vacant seats are there, and here the subject wise the faculty name as well as the ID and the email ID is also provided, and what is the broad area of research also mentioned here. So if you belongs to any one of this research area, then you may contact the particular professor or the faculty through their mail ID. Okay, so it is also one of the flexibilities available here. And coming to the eligibility and the guidelines, so if you click on this one, so here eligibility is only post graduation, guys. So here candidates who have qualified for the master's degree from any academic institution recognized by the UGC with not less than 55% are able to register for the PhD at the Manipal University, Jaipur. Okay, and here master's degree qualified, the candidates who have passed the MPhil or UGC, CSI or NET or JRF or SLET or GATE teacher fellows are exempted from the entrance examinations. And here the department as well as the specializations are mentioned here. So you may check down, guys. Economics, English, French, Hindi, philosophy, physical education, psychology, journalism and mass communication, architecture, fine arts, fashion design, automobile, chemical, civil, computer and communication, computer science, electrical, electronics, information, mechanical, mechatronics, biosciences, chemistry, mathematics and statistics, physics, computer applications, EVS, business administration, commerce and the management. And here the fee structure is also mentioned here. So the registration fee as well as the annual fee. And if you want to get the complete PhD rules, regulations and other information, then here also those particulars are given here. So if you want, you may go through this one. Okay, so these are the details regarding the number of subjects as well as specializations, right? And if you want to check out the entrance examination syllabus, so just click on this one, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So these are the subject wise syllabus you can check down, but the candidates who qualified the CSIR or the UGC NET JRF, those candidates are exempted from the written test, and those candidates will directly go for the interview, fine. And a few more notifications and how to apply is also given here. So it is a online application procedure. Okay, so you have to fill up the online application, guys. So here the link is also provided as well as how to apply is given here. So please go through all these details very clearly and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments and looking for the PhD admissions. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement or the subject in the comment section of this video. So if I got the recruitment notification or the PhD admission notification which is matching up with your subject, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And here the application fee is 1200 rupees and it is a non-refundable. Okay. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, Okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is